Hi guys, you must be confused about how do I talk for 2 minutes continuously in speaking part 2. So here is a very simple solution for this. Let's have a look at it. So now let's have a look at that simple technique that you can follow when you speak for 2 minutes in your part 2 of IELTS speaking. So I'm going to show you a cue card. In this cue card, it says describe a tradition in your country, what it is, who takes part in it, what activities there are, and explain how you feel about it. Now, there are 4 bullet points given to you. It is absolutely not necessary that you have to stick to them. You can add extra bullet points so that if you are done with these 4 bullet points, there is an extra point that you have in your mind about which you can talk. So sometimes what happens that you get a question in which when you start speaking, it just gets over in 1 minute. You don't have any more content to talk about it. So to be on safer side, you can always add 1 bullet point so that you do not stop before 2 minutes and it doesn't impact your band score. Now, when I look at this question, describe a tradition in your country, what it is, who takes part in it, just think of a very simple another thing that you can add to it. What can it be? What else can you talk about tradition in your country? So let's say I have added, you can think of anything. This is what I have added. Which tradition is your favorite? So once I've talked about what it is, who takes part in it, what activities there are, and explain how you feel about it, I can also talk about which tradition is my favorite, which can take a few seconds, 30 seconds maybe, and it can cover your 2 minutes when you talk about any cue card. Now, similarly, if you practice this with every cue card, you will not be struggling with the cue card section. Let's have a look at the second cue card. Now, it says describe a person who you think is very open. Who this person is, how you know this person, why do you think this person is very open, and explain how you feel about this person. Now, what is that you can add in this? What if you stop in 1 minute? What else can you talk about? Pause the video for a minute and think about it. If you have thought about it, you can, of course, practice that if you speak in fluency, if you speak continuously about that topic, can you add that extra point as well? Now, I have added, are you also like this person? So, this is something which is around the topic. Make sure you do not distract yourself from the topic. If your question is describe a person who you think is very open, who this person is, and everything, and you talk about describe a person who is not very open or who which is completely irrelevant to the topic, then you will of course not score well for this. You have to make sure it is something related, relevant to the topic we are talking about. So if I have said and explained how you feel about this person, I can also speak about are you also like this person? And if not, why not? If yes, why? Let's practice with next cue card. Describe an old friend you got in contact with again, who he or she is, what he or she is like, how you got in contact, and explain how you felt about it. Now think, what can you add so that it stays relevant to the topic? Now understand, any question starting from what, who, why, how, where, do can be added here. So since you will have only 1 minute for preparation, you have to make sure that it's a very quick bullet point that you think of. You don't spend your entire 1 minute just thinking of another bullet point. So just in a few seconds, pause the video, think of the bullet point. Now I've written this one. Do you plan to meet him or her again soon? Again, understand this is an extra detail added to the question. So I'm not diverging from the topic. I'm just adding extra detail to the topic. And this detail can be completely relevant to the topic. Now please practice with the remaining cue cards. Once you're done with the practice, you can pick up more cue cards and understand how this is going to function in your main IELTS test. Please make sure that you keep it relevant to the topic and you do not spend a lot of time in thinking of that extra bullet point. Thanks a lot.